Right, so the next day, and these are the result of 2 layers of the colour padded in. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to jump into the spray-on system, which is what I use for my own professional work. And what I'll do now is I'll cut away, grab some gear, and I'll show you what I do next. Right, so before I start any spray work, the first thing I'll do is I just rub my hands over the surface of the leather, just to see what it feels like. If it's feeling a little bit gritty, with a bit of, you might have some dust or whatever sitting in there, you can either use a bit of 600 grit sandpaper or even 800. In fact, what I've actually found to be really good is you can buy these at Mitre 10. It's a virtually a non-scouring pad, if there's such a thing, but it actually works very, very well. So you can imagine, trying to get sandpaper into these little areas like that, whereas this here, you just push your finger into it, and it does all 4 sides. So I'm finding this to be very, very helpful. So these are at Mitre 10. There's virtually no abrasion on there. It's very, very slight amount. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's absolutely brilliant and very, very quick. So what I'll do is I'll go over the whole thing just to make sure it feels good, and then I'll come back and we'll get into the spraying. Rightio, so I got the fan running, so all the other sprays are going that way. So one thing to remember with spray painting leather is it's better to put on multiple light coats than it is to try and put it onto on 1 or 2 heavy ones. Being light coats, it dries quicker, it doesn't fill up the grain, and it just seems to, it does a lot better job. So your mantra is lots of light coats and you'll be fine.